Today's project is a line sculpture. Supplies needed to complete this project are pipe cleaners and scissors and modeling clay. Step 1. Bend pipe cleaners to make lines. I'm going to start with the red one. I'm going to cut this line so it's a lot of smaller little lines. Gives me a lot more to work with in my finished sculpture. I don't need to bend them because I'm going to keep these as straight little lines. Going in rainbow order, so my next one is orange, and I'm going to make a wavy line out of this one. I'm going to put little bends where I want the line to wave. And then because this is a 3D sculpture, I can make the lines go back and forth so it's not just a straight wave. Kind of like a roller coaster, how it bends and twists. I'm going back to those initial bends that I made the first time, and I'm softening up, turning them into rounded curves because I don't want it too pointy. This is my wavy line. Make sure you have little pieces on the end to stick in your base. Next up is yellow. I'm going to turn this one into 2 zigzag lines, but I want them to be really close to the same size. So I'm going to put that kind of in half, use my scissors to cut it, and now I have 2 zigzag lines. And these bends that you can make them a lot harder or sharper bends, more pointy, because this is a zigzag line. To make sure that they're super pointy, I'm going to go ahead and pinch each little spot where I bent it the first time. And there's one zigzag, I'm going to make the other one. Same way. The next line is a green line, and this one's a spiral, but because this is 3D, I'm going to turn it into like a coil. I'm going to use my finger, I'm going to wrap it around my finger so it becomes a 3D spiral, which is like a boing boing coil or curl. Next up is the blue line, and this line is going to be a thick line. These pipe cleaners are really skinny, so if I fold it in half and then twist it together, that will make it look like a thicker line. But I want it thicker than this, so I'm going to have to fold it in half again and keep twisting it one more time to make all these little pieces of overlapping pipe cleaner stay together so it looks like one big fat line. My last line is the purple line. I'm going to do another zigzag, but this one's going to be an uneven zigzag. Parts of it are going to be little, and parts of it are going to be really steep and big. A little bit more even. Try that again. Yeah. That's the nice thing about the pipe cleaners, that if you make a mistake, you can just unbend it and then reform it to how you want it to look. And I want these to have some little bit of pointy corners and bends, so I'm going to go back and pinch them, just like I did with the yellow one. Step 2 is form clay into a base. So you're going to roll the clay in between your hands, applying pressure. You're going to roll the clay on the table, applying pressure, and then flatten it. Step 3, push lines into base. I'm going to go in rainbow order again and start with the red straight lines. And I'm going to use the orange, make sure it goes in one side and then out the other side, so both sides are connected. Put my 2 little yellow ones on there. I like how that looks. And then the green one, just like the orange one, in one and out the other. Now the purple one's on there like a little crown. There you have it. Finished 3D line sculpture. Thanks for watching. Good luck with your artwork.